Hello everybody, and welcome to a tutorial done by me, Sebsv. So today, I'm going to teach you about functions. So let's open up Visual Studio. Let's create a new project, do the console app, and call this functions 2. And we have a console app. So now let's dive into functions. So imagine I want to print hello world 3 times. So we do console.writeLine hello world, and then let's just copy this. And there we go. But that's a lot of work. And if we want to do this again, we have to do it 3 more times, which is very tough. So that's why we have functions. So we can make a static void and call this print hello, and then we have brackets. So here's how it works. We have a static and a void. A void's a function. This is the name. It has to have parentheses after it, an opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. And if you want any parameters, you can put them in here. But for right now, let's just print to the console and put in hello world. And we can copy this. And now let's go here and print hello. And there we go. That's all we need to do. Now let's play it here. And we print hello world. Hooray! We print 3 hello worlds in just 1 line of code because of functions. And if we do this again, we can do it 6 times. There we go. Now here's the thing about functions. You can make a function and put another function in a function. So for example, we can make a static void called print hello dx, that stands for deluxe. We can go here and do a print hello, and print hello. And there we go. Now, if we go here and do print hello dx and play it, we print hello 9 times. So you can put a function in another function, as well as make a standalone function. Now that we know how functions work, let's dive into parameters. So let's make a final static void and call this print name. It's the same as a regular function, except in those parentheses, we put in a string. That's the type. We put in a type. Then we put in the name of the variable. I'll make this one called name. Then we put in brackets, and inside those brackets, we can go ahead and do a console.writeLine and put in here name. And there we go. And with this, we can put in print name, and we can put in something like hello, or we can copy this and put in cat, dog. So it outputs many things based on what you put in here. And it's not just strings, you can do ints, bools, etc., etc. And there we go. And finally, there's actually something you can do about functions. We'll learn more in the next video, but to end this video off before the challenge, let's make a static void and call this print once. So here's a thing you can do. You can actually do this trick. You could do an equal and an arrow sign, and you can do a console.writeLine hello world. And there we go. So what we are doing is, if we want to only print one thing, we can just put an equal and a greater sign that makes it shaped like an arrow. And what we're doing is this will run this command. This is nice if we want to just run a simple command that's small. And there we go. Now, before we end this video, time for a challenge. Write a function, every type of function. A function with brackets, a function inside a function, and a function with parameters, as well as a function with the quote arrow with only one line of code. So I need you to pause the video and complete the challenge. And hopefully you did it. So don't forget to subscribe and to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, because I really want this channel to grow. I'm only 13 years old and I have 9 subscribers right now, which is just nice. So, thanks for watching. Bye!